Friends, I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. We can change color of object with different methods. Change different colors of object. Even we can change white into any color. Let's see how we use different methods for that. And we will use Adobe Photoshop for that purpose. Let's get started. First, there is an image of model. She wears a light cyan color dress. And we will change color of her dress. We need to create selection of dress. Pick quick selection tool. And create selection of dress. Then go to select, modify, then click on expand. Expand selection by 1 pixel, then hit OK. Again go to select, modify, then click on feather. Make value 2 pixels for feather radius, then hit OK. Create a solid color layer. Choose color by your own choice. Suppose I choose red color and click OK. Double click on layer to open layer style window. Press Alt and hold, then click on bright slider to apart it. Move left apart slider to left side. Just look at dress of model. When you satisfy with dress color, then press OK. Create hue and saturation layer. Click on this icon to clip layer. Move hue slider to left or right. It will change color of dress. It is a method to change color of object. Let's move to next method. Here is a model with white shirt. Create selection of shirt. We will refine selection. This method is to change white into any color. Go to select, modify, then click on expand. Expand selection by 1 pixel, then hit OK. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Make radius 2 pixels for Gaussian blur, then hit OK. Create a solid color layer. Suppose I choose red color and click OK. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. You can select color burn or linear burn. Blend mode linear burn looks better. Double click on solid color thumbnail. It will open color picker window. Now you can choose any color of your choice. So you can change white to any color by this method. This is second way to change color of object. Finally click OK when you satisfy with color change. Let's move to next method. There is a model with red dress. We will change red color with their technique. Create layer for hue and saturation. Click on this icon. Click and drag in image to modify saturation. Click on dress from anywhere. Change color of dress by moving hue slider. Change color according to your desire. But it will change color of whole image. If effects on face makeup and skin color. Move this small slider to left side and joint with big slider. Same joint right 2 sliders. And move right joint sliders to little bit right side. It will fix original colors of other areas. Select an active mask of hue and saturation layer. Pick soft round brush tool. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Then start painting on lips to reveal actual color. Paint on those areas we changed to color. Paint on eyes, makeup and nails on model. This is very simple way to change color of object. Here is dress color before then after. Let's move to next technique. This model is wearing pink color shirt. Create selection of shirt. Create a solid color layer. I am going to choose blue color and then click OK. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer of subject. Move this layer at the top of layers. Press Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate image. Press Alt and clip this layer. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Double click on solid color layer to open color picker window. Here you can pick color of your own choice. When you satisfy with color, then press OK. Here, we change pink color to our desired color. I hope you like this technique. Let's move to next final technique. Here a model is wearing white shirt. Create selection of shirt with quick selection tool. Go to select, modify, then click on expand. Expand selection with 1 pixel, then click OK. Again go to select, modify, then click on feather. Make value 2 pixels for feather radius, then hit OK. Create solid color layer. Choose any color you want to, then press OK. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer of subject. Move this layer at top of layers. Press Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate image. Press Alt and clip this layer. This time change blend mode to linear burn. Blend mode for solid color is multiply. But blend mode for object is linear burn. Because model is wearing white shirt, double click on solid color layer to open color picker window. Now you can change color of your choice. We have changed white into any color. Finally click OK when you satisfy with color. I hope you like these techniques. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.